That's not for you.
She doesn't. Don't.
Ah.
What is that?
What is this, Daddy?
Look. This.
You're not recording this thing.
Yes, sir.
No, you're not.
May I see that, please? It goes in
Wait,
here.
No, that's mine.
Look, let me see. I'll show you. No, hold on. Look.
Are you happy?
My nephew's like, wait a minute.
Are those monsters? Little monsters? Wow.
Oh, what is this? Look, let me show you. You push it once. Push it once. Here, look at it.
What if you can come in?
Look, push it here. Put your finger here. Push it down. What is that?
What was that?
What was that?
Was that vegetables?
No.
That was broccoli, right?
No broccoli.
Then what was that?
Spice.
What?
Little spices.
Little spices?
Little spices.
Oh, okay. They look like gum. Is that gum? Gum balls? Yeah. That's gum, Junior.
I didn't want him to do that because he might get the book sticky.
We didn't get jawbreakers, did we?
No.
Okay, good.
Okay, one out.
And one for Willie.
How about if Willie starts playing with your puppets?
Look, these are puppets. Look at this. You put your manos in,
That's called Silly Monsters.
and you put your, and you go. These are silly. No, they're not.
Yeah.
They're hand puppets. Look, Junior.
I like his face.
He digs Willie's toys, right? No, you love
Look,
it.
look, he's coming for this. Are you coming for this? No, I hold it.
But look at this.
Go look at your other stuff.
Look at your books. Do you see these books? Are
Look.
those little monsters?
Wow.
Monsters.
Spiders. They're silly monsters. They're funny.
Look at this monsters. Look at these monsters. Oh, what did you find there?
Don't use it now. What are they? Those are stickers?
Look, Junior.
Okay. But look, you have a monkey. And look at this. What is this?
A panda bear.
You know, he's like so overwhelmed. If we show him one at a time, it would have been better. And this? More puzzle? Do you like puzzles?
Which one is a panda bear? Wow! Look what Willie found. He found an Elmo.
Hold on.
Look, Junior, it's an Elmo guy. Oh, he found one in there. Can I see the bag? It's just an empty bag. I'm not seeing it.
We can put peanuts in there. Do you want some peanuts in there too?
Elmo?
No.
Elmo. Oh, Elmo, look. Elmo and the colors.
Big Bird.
Big Bird and shapes.
Cookie Monster.
Cookie and food.
Grover.
Grover and animals.
Look, did you see this book?
That's Silly Monsters. Willie got you that one. And he's going to read it to you at night.
I know.
Wait, he said...
How do we